Machine intelligence is the last invention that humanity will ever need to make. Machines will then be better at inventing than we are. How to learn AI, robot, a step-by-step guide. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, is the ability of machines or software systems to perform tasks that would generally require human-level intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing patterns, learning from experience, and decision-making. How to learn artificial intelligence. 1. Familiarize yourself with the basics. Start by learning about the fundamentals of AI, including concepts such as machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Machine learning involves algorithms to understand and improve data automatically, while deep learning involves using neural networks to learn and make decisions. 2. Choose a programming language. To implement AI algorithms, you will need to know how to program. Some popular programming languages for AI include Python, R, and Java. Choose a language that you are comfortable with and start learning the basics. 3. Learn math and statistics. AI algorithms are often based on mathematical and statistical concepts, so it is essential to have a strong foundation in these areas. Topics to focus on include linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. 4. Practice with projects. Applying your knowledge through hands-on projects is the best way to learn AI. Start with simple tasks and gradually increase the complexity as you become more proficient. There are many open-source datasets and libraries available online that you can use to practice. You can also use libraries such as scikit-learn, a collection of machine learning algorithms for Python, or TensorFlow, a library for building and training machine learning models. 5. Stay up to date. The field of AI is rapidly evolving, so it is essential to stay updated with the latest developments. Follow AI-related blogs, attend conferences, and participate in online communities to stay current. Many conferences and events are dedicated to AI, such as the Conference on Neural Information Processing Systems, NeurIPS, and the International Conference on Machine Learning and Data Mining, MLDM. There are also many online communities and forums where you can discuss AI-related topics with other professionals and enthusiasts, such as the AI Stack Exchange and the Machine Learning subreddit. 6. Consider a degree or certification. Get a degree or certification if you want to pursue a career in AI. Many universities and online programs offer degrees in AI or related fields, such as computer science or data science. These programs typically cover topics such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and programming languages such as Python and Java. Having a mentor or being part of a community of like-minded individuals can be a valuable resource as you learn AI. A mentor can provide guidance, support, and advice as you navigate your learning journey while being part of a community, and can provide a sense of belonging and access to a wealth of knowledge and resources. 8. Participate in online competitions. Online competitions like those hosted by Kaggle are a great way to practice your skills and apply your knowledge to real-world problems. These competitions provide a set of data and a specific task, such as predicting the likelihood of a customer churning or detecting fraudulent activity, and participants compete to develop the best solution. These competitions provide a chance to learn and improve your skills, allowing you to showcase your abilities and earn prizes or recognition. 9. Read research papers. Reading research papers is an excellent way to stay up to date with the latest developments in the field of AI and to deepen your understanding of specific topics. 10. Keep learning. AI is constantly evolving, so it is essential to continue learning and improving your skills. This learning process may involve taking additional courses or workshops, participating in online competitions, or working on personal projects. Whatever you choose, the key is staying motivated and dedicated to learning as much as possible about AI. Final thoughts. These skills will allow you to start applying your knowledge to real-world problems and pursue a career in AI. However, learning AI is an ongoing process, and staying up to date with the latest developments in the field is essential. This learning process may involve continuing your education through additional courses or workshops, participating in online communities, and reading research papers. Building a solid foundation in AI requires dedication and hard work, but it can also be an enriching and exciting journey. We wish you the best of luck as you embark on your learning journey and hope you find success and fulfillment in your studies and career in AI.